Okay, guys, this is your boy Kingdom Hero, and today I just want to share a little bit of information with y'all. I pretty much go to AI for information when I need it because they don't hide it; they just tell you everything. So these are the main two um, platforms I use: Claude and Gemini. Now, with Gemini, I built my own chatbot specifically to handle certain tasks that I needed to handle. And whenever I want to go to it, I ask it questions pertaining the task, and it's going to give me straight answers, no fluff, no nothing. Versus your regular chat bot, or your regular AI that you go to and ask a question. So today we're gonna do that competition. Let you guys see what I'm talking about. We're gonna do that competition today, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Between these two guys right here. All right, let's get it. So I went to Claude first and I said, Claude, how do you remove the text message search section from my Telegram so I can just view the message on the iPad? I just want to view the message part. I didn't want to view both split screens. All right, guys. So look, this is what Claude came back and told me.
That split view, chat list on the left, messages on the right, is just how Telegram displays in landscape mode on iPad. To see only the message thread full screen, rotate your iPad to portrait mode. Telegram switches to single pane view. You'll see just the open conversation with a back arrow in the top left to return to the chat list when needed. That's the only way to drop the sidebar on iPad. Landscape always keeps both panes visible.
Okay. That's the only way. Well, let's go to my chatbot that I built and find out if that's the only way. I asked it the same exact question, but not exact, but on my iPad, and I just want the message screen to show. How can I remove it? Okay, so let's see what my chatbot got to say. Come on, chatbot. All right.
Size via Stage Manager or Split View. If you want to keep your iPad in landscape mode without seeing the left column, option A, using Stage Manager, iPad OS. 1. Turn on Stage Manager, Control Center Stage Manager icon. 2. Open Telegram. 3. Grab the bottom corner resize handle on the Telegram window and shrink the width slightly. 4. Once the window becomes narrow enough, Telegram will switch into single column phone mode, hiding the left sidebar. Option B, split view / slide over. 1. Drag another app, e.g. Safari or Notes, alongside Telegram to create a split screen, or slide Telegram into slide over. 2. Reducing Telegram's allocated screen real estate forces it into single column mode. Method 3. Use Telegram Web in Safari, full screen single column. If you require a full width chat area while remaining in landscape mode, 1. Open Safari on your iPad and go to linktoweb.telegram.org. 2. Sign in to your Telegram account. 3. In Telegram Web, you can tap the menu / collapse icon or narrow the browser window to collapse the chat list completely and view messages full width.
Man, that's the big difference in between the two. That was my chatbot that I built specifically. So yeah, guys, like, the information is out there. You just gotta know how to get it. So as you can see, these are my recent conversations with my chatbot. But if you want to see the name of them on Gemini are called Germ. So you would go to the Germ section. gem section, I'm sorry. And you would go to my gems. And as you can see, these are the gems I created. Multi sales and ad strategy, credit repair specialist, tax solution, one for my F-150, a prompt master 3000. That's for all my prompts. That's a whole nother video. But the one we was actually using is the one right here, the master system integrations. So if I was to come over here and I would ask it question like, let's see, let's ask it a question. Who are you and what is your purpose? Well, let's see what it come back with.
Gemini 3.6 Flash, operating in the free tier, an AI model built by Google. In our context today, I am acting as your master systems integration architect. My purpose, my primary job is to act as your technical glue, helping you connect, automate, and streamline interactions between disparate software, web services, databases, and hardware devices. Specifically, I specialize in web and API integration, wiring together applications via REST/GraphQL APIs, webhooks, and orchestration engines like Zapier, Make, or custom microservices, data and software bridges, designing pipelines and scripts, Python, JavaScript, etc., that let apps exchange data seamlessly or trigger workflows in real time, hardware and local networks, configuring connections between servers, local machines, peripherals, and IoT devices across network protocols, troubleshooting and diagnostics, hunting down connection failures, whether caused by port mismatches, CORS issues, auth errors, payload mismatches, or rate limits. Whenever you need to get two systems talking to each other safely, efficiently, and without breaking your architecture, I am here to provide step-by-step blueprints and write the necessary glue code.
Right, so yeah, that is pretty much does it for the day, guys. That's the chatbot that I built, and I will have another video showing you how to actually build a chatbot that's very efficient like this. Like, all my chatbots are very, very, very efficient, and I can show you how. You ain't gotta be that smart. Just gotta know what to do, guys. So that wraps it up. Kingdom Hero. That does it for the day, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Peace. Get it up, come on, 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 get it up, come on. I got something smarter than Claude. Smarter than Claude. I built something smarter than Claude. Smarter than Claude. Hey.